Okay, Year 7 and 8, I'm going to show you really quickly how to find books to take from a library on our online library. So you log into Winstanley, as you know, you click the Student Apps bit there, and you click Access It. Sometimes Access It is a little bit glitchy and a little bit slow. If that happens, just refresh, all right, but it generally does what you ask it to do, which is good. So when you're in there, you press Search, okay, and then you go to Advanced Search. You have all been given by your teacher a ZPD for your accelerated reader. That is the range of books you should be reading for your reading age, reading level as it is. So you click accelerated reader, and then you put in your book level. So let's say you are 2.2 to 3.2. You put 2.2 ... 3.2. All right, you have to do ... because then it will get every book in that range, and you press search. Once you've done that, it should hopefully come up with all the books that are there. If it's got a little red zero, that means it's not there at the moment because somebody else has it. Okay, so you scroll down. All right, so that is how you very simply pick a book you like. So for example, if I want Frog Prince Continued, all I have to do is go to my school email by clicking that. And you will see that Mr. Moore has very helpfully sent you a Google form. All you then need to do is click on the Google form when my slow internet. So you go to your email. I'm sure your internet will be a lot quicker than mine. You click on Library Book Order, which was sent to you by me. You press Fill Out Form. And then all you need to do is fill in these things. So my name is Example Student. My tutor group, let's just go with mine. Teacher, I'm lucky enough to have Miss Taunton teaching me. First book I'd like to request is, and what book do I like? Oh yes, I like Frog Prince Continued by John Schieczka. So I put Frog Prince Continued by John, spell it, or something like that. And then what you do is you go to the bottom and you press Submit, and you send that in. All right. Mrs. Bate will then get your order there, and within 2 minutes, 2.5 at a push, you will have ordered your library book. That is how you do it. It's very simple. Just follow those steps.